Make sure the machine is on. Open the ink cartridge cover. Unpack the black ink. Shake the black ink cartridge horizontally 15 times. Insert the black ink cartridge into the correct slot. Push press to install the ink cartridge.
Insert the yellow, cyan, and magenta ink cartridges into the slot.
Be sure to match the ink cartridge color with the ink slot color. Close the ink cartridge cover. Cleaning starts and will last about 7 minutes.
When cleaning is finished, press OK to print the quality check sheet. Check the print quality sheet and follow the touchscreen instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your machine setup.